What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I didn't think this was going to be happening at least this soon. It's been like a week of me driving the car with the Tomei. For those of you who don't know or are new to the channel, I just installed a brand new catback exhaust on my R32, and it happens to be a tomei, which is pure titanium. It sounds great, but I think it's a little too loud. I'm not used to it quite yet. I do love how it sounds, but for driving streetwise, it is not the ideal exhaust to have. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be pretty much installing a silencer. Here's the silencer for the car. Let's see how it sounds. If I don't like it, I'm gonna take it off. But if it does quiet it down a bit, I might just end up keeping it because yeah, this thing's pretty loud. Let's go ahead and install the silencer. God, this thing looks so ugly. Check it out. No! Oh well, let's go for a test drive. I'm gonna set up my GoPros and show you guys what it sounds like. Let me rev it for you guys so you guys can hear it, and then we go for a drive and see how it sounds. Yeah, I'm already not liking it. It did quiet it down a bit, but it looks freaking ugly, man. It looks hideous. It does sound a little bit quieter. It does sound quieter, but is it worth it? Like, it doesn't, I don't even enjoy the sound that is coming out of the car right now. I'm gonna do a few more clips so you guys can hear how it sounds with the silencer, and then I'm taking off that silencer. Yeah, I'm not keeping it on. Right away, you can hear the difference. do you guys think? Should I leave the silencer on or keep it off? Too bad Jackie isn't on E85 just yet. Maybe once we get her tuned, we can get E85, but for sure we're gonna have to upgrade the injectors because these little tiny injectors are not gonna be perfect for E85. Well guys, we made it to a little meet. Broke Boys, my buddy Caesar pretty much runs this all the time. I was able to come out today since I had a night off. Might as well drive the GTR a little bit more. It's always nice to come out and, you know, say hi to everybody, all the car community people. You're on video. Say hi.